Sometimes life gives you a chance to change pace. When it does, you take it. For us, that meant a few days off grid on a private island in the middle of Lake Superior called the Welcome Islands. We weren't just headed out for fun. Colin, our longtime friend and the island's unofficial caretaker, needed help getting camp open before his wife Tracy and her friend arrived the following weekend. The camp hadn't really been used in almost 2 years, aside from one weekend last summer when the guys went out to redo a roof. So there was a lot to get done in order to open up camp. Bring you guys. And we're going down to that boat, I think. So we packed up what we needed for a few nights. Food, tools, and just enough electronics to tether a call or two, but nothing more. The rest, we'd make do without.
Pack your shoes before you fall off the dock. I want to try out my shoes. I'll push you in and you can climb up in the water. You guys have to listen to me. I told him that too. Okay, here we go.
Away we go! If you enjoy these change of pace episodes where we take you off the boat and into a different kind of off-grid life, give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people find the channel and tells us that you want to see more of it. The Welcome Islands are a small cluster of rocky outcrops in Lake Superior, just outside Thunder Bay's harbor. For decades, they've marked a vital navigational point for ships entering the port. The original lighthouse, once home to a full-time keeper, was a critical part of that system, guiding freighters and fishing boats through these sometimes treacherous waters. Though the lighthouse no longer stands, its legacy lives on in the keeper's residence, now a family camp and a modern automated beacon that still blinks through the night.
What's sticking out?
What's sticking out?
Probably the snowman's butt.
This spot right down here is where the foot valve is for the water pump. Imagine having to climb down the stairs and then onto that ladder in order to attempt to put the foot valve in the water. Not a job I'd like to take on. No, we're gonna throw Vic up there.
The rock was sitting on top of that. Yeah. And there's the football.
Just means I think Dad wants out this side.
You can get out and grab the rope and walk to the front and I'll grab the dock. If it's really shallow and I can pick up the drives, but I don't want to. Just I lost the nose weight this time. Yeah. I lost back weight too.
Now we haul everything from the boat up to this little trike so that we can then haul it to the camp. You get to sit on the bench, I guess. We'll haul stuff up. What's wrong with your walk?
My wallet's too heavy. I better buy a boat.
Why is it holding that?
Oh, because you think it's cool.
Are you going to come on?
No, I don't think so.
You.
What? You're coming with me? Okay. Hopefully Colin doesn't lose any of that on the way up, because there's a ton of stuff.
Holding no machete.
We'll let the old people go first. Old Vixter up there. He's really like 96. Claiming he's 26. What a liar, eh? Don't lose any. We'll walk behind you. We'll pick up whatever you drop. So we just unloaded everything. Now we're gonna take it all up to the camp, which is a little ways up because it's like at the top of the hill, top of the island. What do you think so far, Eve?
So bad.
What?
I still like it.
You don't like it or you do?
do.
Oh, okay, good. Why would they give the 96-year-old the machete? Hey? Vic's the oldest one here. That's where we came.
No thanks. Do not go by there.
That is Pie Island, which is like a beautiful island. Look at this maniac here. Do you have anger issues to take out on the tree? What did it ever do to you? Yeah, that's why I think you're a spy. Holy shit. Like, maybe you shouldn't hold that. You shouldn't have sharp objects when they go flying. He's terrifying, eh?
Okay, I won't swing it around.
Do you want Mom to carry it?
Okay, I will keep going forward.
Okay, come on. Yeah, we're gonna follow him, but we'll follow from a distance because he's a bit psycho, eh? No, she just doesn't want you to throw it or spin it or try to cut anything, because nothing like carrying a weapon and having it fly out of your hand with children around. With Mom, I won't let anything happen to you. Kind of forgot that first aid kit in the truck too, didn't we? Hopefully Colin would have something, but I don't know. Ooh, see the things that you see when you get to leave the city?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Look at those nice flowers up ahead.
Ooh. Those ones?
Yeah.
Oh, those are wild roses.
Wild roses? Ooh, that's
Yeah, they're pretty. I have never been to the Welcome Islands before, aside from sailing to them and anchoring by them, and then having like, I think we had like a wine and cheese or something here when we were with Sail Superior. But yeah, it's really pretty. Oh, we missed Pearl and Dad are up ahead. You can kind of see Pearl a little bit. Say that again? What did you just say?
I love going for this trip. Even though I just started today, I just love it. Even though we're still in town.
We're not in town.
I know. But, like, at least we still get to go out and almost like a road trip.
Yeah, but it's a boat trip.
We also get to go out for hiking, and maybe tomorrow I'm going to go down this hiking path and I'm going to take a walk.
Yeah. Computer to be able to upload any of this stuff, but that's okay. His favorite, the little steps.
Oh, that's right now.
I think so. Looks like we made it.
Oh, that's a good little one.
I assume that's his camp. I don't know. We'll find out in a sec. That must be a different one. I'm guessing his camp is this one over here. That you can kind of see the red roof through the trees.
I used to go walking like all the time until I was a baby.
You did. I used to put you in the stroller. There we go. There it is. There's the camp.
Sometimes the waves, they keep on crashing in. Sometimes the rain, it never seems to end. I'll be alright, my friend, if you stay by my side. Sometimes our worries get the best of us. Sometimes the hardest we try is not enough. All will be well as long as you stay by my side. You help me take this weight off my shoulders. Always run my way when I call you. You're the anchor I'm holding tight on to. You are my home away from home. Home away from home. Home away from home. Home away from home.
We had made it, settled in, and couldn't wait to start exploring. But as my job for the trip was to be cook and cleaner, I needed to get supper cooked so everyone could fuel up for the work ahead of us. Murray jumped right in, helping Colin troubleshoot the water system and start clearing brush. Vic, he came out thinking there'd be time for fishing, but that didn't quite pan out.
I could go playing.
You don't like that swimming pool?
I don't, but I could go playing.
It kind of looks like it actually is a swimming pool, but just in really rough shape.
Shoulders always run my way when I call you. You're the anchor I'm holding tight on to. You help me find my way when I'm so
Peaceful without the Jenny going. Is a pool. It's a pool pump. Those are pretty. It's lilacs and daisies.
Oh, wow.
Did you pick me? Cheetos? Very pretty.
Beautiful.
In your hair? Look at this pyro standing there, eh?
Dad. can you show me?
Go into the kitchen. See where the fridge is supposed to be?
Well, we got our supper cooked by none other than me. And everybody's enjoying it. Colin and Vic are up top. What is it, Eve?
Great.
That's good. Caesar salad and burgers. Ooh, there's the door. Town is gone. Yeah. It's all foggy. Can't see anything. It's nice.
The dog crossed the road
I don't know.
because it wanted to be a pancake.
We're laying here so she can go to bed, and this is the joke she tells me. The first night, the kids didn't fight us in going to bed. It was already quite late. And the water pump continued to fight us. Murray and Colin spent most of their time digging into it, swapping parts, and trying to get the foot valve to prime. Out here, there's no quick trip to the hardware store, no plumber to call. You solve it with what you've got, or not at all. Lights of town. So nice out here. It is so peaceful. Even with the generator running, it's peaceful. Kids are sleeping, and I am out here just admiring, watching the lighthouse. It's pretty cool. With the kids in bed and Colin at the camp with them, the rest of us decided to go on a little hunt for something called Uperlite. What's Uperlite, you ask? Well, it's a rare rock found in Lake Superior that glows under UV light. Barely see Murray.
Had something shine up.
Did ya? Was it? What is that?
Cozy.
Oh, jeez. Unfortunately, we didn't find any actual Uperlite, but the beer cozy we did stumble across was just the beginning of the treasures this island had in store for us. That wraps up our first day on the island, and trust me, there's still a lot more to come. In the next episode, we go deeper into island life with creative off-grid cooking, cold lake baths, unexpected ship sightings, and the kids learn how to unplug. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give our video a like, and let us know in the comments if you've ever spent time off-grid or just dream of it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.